Jamaica, Jamaica. Wake up, my people, my people, my people. Hashtag Empress gets fit and you fits. Empress gets fit. I do have fit sometimes. You don't need to be hitting the gym to get toned. You actually don't need the heavy weights either. I've got some folks to show you that you can tone up every day with everyday items at your home. Look for me, look for me. Boom. Water bottle, W-A-T-A bottle. All right, good morning. Personal trainer Philip Groves, good morning. Lord, you look fit. Fitness enthusiast Bianca. Hernold, good morning. And Nelly. Modesty. Good morning. Oh, no, look good now. Let's get fit. Talk to me. What are we doing? What is this about?
All right, so good morning again. So today we are going to demonstrate a couple of exercises that you can do at home. Right? Yeah. So you don't necessarily have to hit the gym to get fit. Good? So we have a couple of equipment here that we're going to use to utilize to demonstrate such.
Okay, well I'm dressed and I'm ready. Yes.
All right, so I'll have Nelly demonstrate something for you and you follow suit.
All right.
So first we're going to utilize a chair to do a couple of squats.
Nelly, modest. I saw your feet, man. Boy, we're not killing it. I love the apparel. All right, let's go.
All right, so demonstrate the chair squat for now. Good.
And this is working what now?
So this is like working your quads, which is here.
Quads?
And your glutes, of course.
Your glutes are
Yeah.
Right.
You want that?
Yes. But how your glutes look so fit, man?
Yes.
Lord, tough, man. Strong. You do this at home?
Yes.
How many of this now?
You can do as many as you require. I mean...
Come on, Nelly. Move, Nelly. So you put your foot so.
Right.
Right? I'm acting like I don't know this part. I never really worked this part, so I'm gonna try and practice this. You know what I mean? I'm more running.
All right.
You know, and so all right. So squat.
Squat.
My bottom for touch the chair.
Touch the chair and go. So you touch and go. Don't sit down.
Don't touch.
Good. So you just touch
Ooh,
and go.
yeah.
Good. That's one.
How many am I for do?
Two. Just do all eat one.
Come on, people at home. Let's get fit.
Good.
All the singers in the band.
Let's go.
My microphone falling.
No worry about it. Keep going.
No excuses.
Good, you know.
Oh, it feels good. And you're supposed to squeeze your butt when you come back?
Squeeze when you get up.
Yeah.
There you go. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Empress and the Tana gets fit. Tana, where you there? Come. Your turn.
Itana, come now.
No, man. She has to set up the scene.
Good.
We don't want her to get out of breath before she hits the big notes.
All right, so moving along. So we have other things that we can utilize. We have a mat over here. So we'll have Bianca demonstrate.
Bianca.
A line lateral raise.
The what, sorry?
A line side lateral raise.
Line side lateral raise.
So she'll lay on the mat and then she'll be like moving her leg like that.
This is how to get toned at home.
So this hits the glutes as well. So it's hitting it from a lateral.
So you just come here to work glutes this morning?
Yes, man, glutes, everything.
You're a glutes man. All right, Bianca, how does that feel, girl?
Burning.
Good stuff.
Let me get some burn, yeah, because I can't afford my training, so I better you come here and do this every morning. I get a free workout. All right, glutes on the side.
On the side, going straight up. Good. Say control.
Yeah.
2. Good.
Yeah.
3.
If you're watching this morning, come on, mummies. Oh, yeah, we could do this. It's called the smile workout.
Good.
Oh, yeah, I feel it. All right, next now. Come.
All right. So we have a book over here. You can use both water bottles. You have the broom and stuff. So, Nelly, grab 2 water bottles for me. Good. So we're doing a bent over row.
What is this working again?
So this one works the back.
All right.
Good. So bent over row with both water bottles in hand. Good. So weight is weight. So you grab anything at home that has weight.
Okay.
And you can use it to work out.
Okay.
All right. So go ahead. Good. So you squeeze the back. They're good.
Come,
so
pass my back up, trainer. Pass my back up. I'm getting everything today.
Good.
You notice the shirt I'm wearing, right? Non-communicable diseases on me,
Jamaica
baby.
moves, definitely. Good.
None on me.
All right.
Go
so
again. My
bend
mistake.
forward.
Chat too much. Go. Right
Bend forward.
Yes.
Good. The hands follow the part of the leg. So you moving up like that.
All right. Them say no more plastic bottle, though.
No. So hands follow the part of the leg. So you're moving it up like this. So here.
So like that.
So elbows coming. Good. Squeeze. Good. Chest out.
Squeeze.
Good.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Come on, Nelly, modesty.
Squeeze the back.
Oh
Good.
yes.
Bend forward a little bit more.
You
Good.
feel it.
Squeeze. Good.
Yes, in at the back. That's so yes.
Shoulders too.
Right up.
Right
Good.
up.
Follow the part of the leg.
I'm gonna really follow
So
instructions. Good enough.
There you go. Good. So good and squeeze.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Can I do this every morning?
Every morning.
Oh yes.
Get up.
Yes. What's next?
So we have a book here. We're going to do some tricep extension.
Tricep extension. Okay.
Good. So you grab a book
Show
at
the people
home.
where the triceps are.
So the triceps, this part there, and the back of your hand.
You know the flabby part, ladies.
Oh, Jesus.
You know when you do that and it's like just flab.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's work it.
Good.
All right.
Squeeze at the top. Good.
Yes.
So normal household items you can utilize every day, right?
Killing it.
Good. Definitely killing it.
So how much you charge people do this every morning?
We talk half the year, you know, frighten the people then.
All right, let's do it. Triceps. So grab your grandfather old filing
There
book.
you go.
Because them book you're not really, they're about again.
All right,
so I must your grandfather yard. All right.
All right, come on, squeeze.
Ooh, yes.
Up there, squeeze, good.
Ooh, yes. You know how long I don't work out?
Ooh, tight, nice. You squeeze.
Hold in, yeah?
Good.
Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh, Empress body gets back this morning. Ooh, big up. Ooh, big up Janique, my trainer. She not see me now, 6 weeks.
Oh, Jesus.
I have a new trainer this morning.
Good stuff.
Yeah, man, it feels good. All right.
Put that one down,
That's
Empress.
triceps.
Moving right along.
Moving along.
So we got the broom now. You can use the broom to do twists. So you want to work on the obliques, so the side part of the core here. So you take up the broom, put it across the shoulder, and twist like that.
Because you know how bad I want a flat six-pack to wear a bikini, a two-piece? After those 2 kids. Help me out.
Don't worry about it.
Sure.
So,
Yeah.
above, right there, put it on the shoulder.
Yeah.
No, man, bring it right back on
It's
the
a
shoulder.
bikini body.
So right
Topaz.
here.
Oh.
Good. And twist. So you're
way.
twisting. So it's good.
Oh, yes.
Side to side.
My obliques.
Twist side to
Oh.
side. Good.
Oh, I
Squeeze
feel
over
that body.
Like she tell you.
Okay.
Come in.
No, I'm envisioning.
Envisioning. Good. Let's go. Keep it going. There we go. And
That
twist.
bikini,
Good.
flat, six-pack.
Six-pack.
Thing there, Camilla McDonald.
Jesus. Keep going.
And all of them.
Go on,
You see my
envision
friend,
and
them I
keep
think
going.
gonna have a body, watch me good. Watch me good. Nicole McLaren, watch me good. Think I only one can go gym. Hey! A joke. They're my friends. Just playing with you. That's
right.
good. So that's the work here.
Right, so it works right here.
Yes.
Then you have normal things like push-ups. You can utilize
Let's
your
go.
own body to
Let's
do
go,
push-ups.
ladies. Push up.
So, come ladies, we are going to do this, right? So
All
we're
of
going,
us.
all of us
And the
going to do this.
viewers.
So viewers at home, you can always join in, of course, definitely. So we're getting down on the floor. Good.
Yeah,
All
man.
down on the floor.
Yeah.
Good.
Ready.
Hands there.
Yeah.
Good. In a circle, and we're doing. Ready? Let's go. And down.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Come on, Empress.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm a
Come on.
good man.
Down.
Whoa!
Up. Come on, let's
Yeah,
go.
man. I'm a
Keep
good
going.
man.
Come on. Let's go.
Lord
Good.
God.
Come on, 2 more. Let's go. Down.
Ah!
Come on, let's
Ah!
go. One
It's
more.
like giving birth.
Let's get
So,
up.
one more.
One more.
I'm committed.
Come
It's
on,
all
let's
in the
go.
mind, people.
One more.
That's it. Press.
Good stuff. All right, so we have one more exercise for you. This one is called a Bulgarian split squat, utilizing the chair again. Bulgarian split squat. So utilizing the chair here. There.
Bulgarian
Split squat. So
split squat.
one leg up. Good. Good. So you jump out a little bit. You have to have balance for this one. Good. Nose to the foot is placed there. So demonstrate now. So this one work glutes, hamstring, and also the quads.
You man,
So
I
here
feel
so.
the glutes, you know.
Good.
You man, I feel the glutes, you know.
Yeah. Here so. Here so. And here.
All right. Yeah, man.
Good.
When you look hard, though.
Look hard.
Yeah,
Try
because you
it.
say balance. I'm not too balanced sometimes.
Don't worry about it. Trainer wheels. Go,
You
let's
give him a trainer wheels?
go. Yes, let's go.
All right.
All right, jump out.
Bulgarian.
Bulgarian split.
So I'm to the Jamaican split squat.
All right, Empress, I'm gonna make it Jamaican now.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's at the Jamaican.
So, body up a little bit, good. Going down, so you're keeping streamlined. So, no. Bend knee. Good. So bend knee.
Yeah. The
This
knee
one
bend,
too.
man.
Good.
Yeah.
Go down.
Oh, like so?
Yes, like so. Good.
Okay.
And there.
Okay.
2. Good.
Nice.
3.
How much stay?
Yeah, the squeeze from here.
That's
Good.
squeeze
Yeah.
them,
Yeah.
Good.
Don't worry about that.
Keep going.
The
There.
glutes are working.
And one more.
All right.
There we go.
Do we have to end? Do we have
All
to
right.
end? That was a good workout. Ladies, thank you. I actually feel good. How long was that? 3-minute workout? 7-minute workout?
And there we go.
There you go. That's all you need every day.
That's all you need.
And I'm
It's sweating already.
and I'm burning
Boosting.
calories.
You're burning calories,
Yeah, man.
definitely.
I'm kind of out of shape, but I'm getting back. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. personal trainer Philip Groves and fitness enthusiast Bianca Hernaud and Miss Jamaica Bikini Champion. Just so you know why she looks so, she's the Miss Jamaica Bikini Champion 2018, right? I'll be competing next year. Nelly Modest, I hope you're not competing next year, because I'm gonna take your crown, girl.